Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we're diving into the best backyard lighting ideas to light up your mood. Let's explore stunning designs and practical tips to transform your outdoor space into a magical oasis. Let's get started. This backyard setup exudes a cozy, inviting atmosphere, perfect for relaxation or casual gatherings. The string lights overhead provide a warm, ambient glow that enhances the overall mood, especially in the evenings. The white lounge chairs and the pop of turquoise from the umbrella and door create a vibrant yet soothing color palette. The fire pit is a functional centerpiece, offering both warmth and a focal point for social interactions. I love the mix of natural elements like the potted plant and wooden furniture, which add texture and depth to the space. However, I would add some more cushions to the chairs for extra comfort and perhaps a small outdoor rug to define the seating area better. Overall, it's a beautifully balanced and practical backyard retreat. I adore this intimate seating area, perfect for quiet evenings or deep conversations. The uplighting on the tree creates a stunning focal point and adds a sense of height and drama to the space. The modern chairs with sleek black frames and cushy white cushions are both stylish and comfortable. The zigzag patterned poof adds a playful touch and can serve as a footrest or extra seating. The privacy provided by the lush greenery and the chevron patterned fence adds to the coziness and seclusion of the area. However, I might add a small side table between the chairs for convenience, making it easier to place drinks or snacks. Overall, this setup beautifully combines aesthetics and functionality. I love the serene and well-structured look of this backyard. The pathway lighting along the fence is both practical and aesthetically pleasing, highlighting the beautiful greenery and providing a safe walkway at night. The variety of plants, from low shrubs to taller trees, creates a dynamic and lush landscape. The use of warm lighting brings a cozy, welcoming feel to the garden. However, I might add a few more plants with vibrant colors or flowering varieties to introduce more visual interest and break up the monotony of green. Additionally, a small seating area or a couple of garden benches could make this space even more inviting and functional for relaxation and enjoyment. Overall, it's a tranquil and well-lit backyard that enhances the evening ambiance. I find this backyard lighting idea absolutely charming. The hanging mason jars filled with fairy lights create a whimsical and enchanting atmosphere. They provide a soft, magical glow that beautifully complements the serene pool area and lush greenery. The use of mason jars adds a rustic DIY touch that is both stylish and economical. What I particularly love is how the lights reflect off the pool water, enhancing the overall ambiance and creating a mesmerizing effect. To improve this setup, I would ensure that the lighting is evenly distributed throughout the area to avoid any overly dark spots. Adding some comfortable seating nearby would also make this space perfect for evening gatherings or quiet nights by the pool. This setup is delightful and practical, making the backyard feel like a fairy tale. This backyard space is simply inviting and perfect for social gatherings. I love the string lights overhead, which provide a warm, ambient glow that makes the area feel cozy and welcoming. The circular wall lights add an artistic touch and make the space visually interesting. The combination of comfortable seating and a picnic-style dining area is both functional and stylish. The choice of neutral colors with blue accents creates a calming and sophisticated atmosphere. The wicker ottomans with candle holders are a nice touch, adding both practicality and charm. To enhance this space further, I would incorporate some outdoor heaters for cooler nights and maybe some colorful throw pillows to add a pop of color. Overall, this backyard is a perfect blend of comfort and elegance. I love the rustic charm of this cozy patio area. The stone wall backdrop, adorned with potted plants, adds a natural and earthy feel to the space. The in-ground lights around the perimeter provide subtle, elegant illumination, making the area perfect for evening relaxation or intimate dinners. The simple wooden table and chairs fit seamlessly into the setting, maintaining the rustic aesthetic while offering functionality. I appreciate the mix of greenery and the vibrant splash of color from the red flowers, which adds a lively touch. To enhance this space, I would add some comfortable cushions on the chairs and perhaps a small outdoor rug to make the seating area more inviting. Overall, it's a delightful, well-lit nook that beautifully combines practicality and charm. I find this backyard design both modern and inviting. The tree wrapped in string lights serves as a beautiful focal point, creating a magical atmosphere. The wall sconces along the wooden fence provide ample lighting and add a touch of elegance. The elevated deck, with seating and a grill, is perfect for entertaining, offering a designated space for dining and relaxation. The artificial grass is a practical choice, ensuring a lush, green lawn with minimal maintenance. However, I would add some potted plants or flower beds along the fence to introduce more natural elements and color variation. Additionally, incorporating a few outdoor cushions and blankets on the seating area would enhance comfort and make the space even more inviting. Overall, this backyard is a stunning blend of style and functionality. I appreciate the simplicity and charm of this backyard setup. The string lights hanging from the tree to the house create a cozy and festive atmosphere, perfect for evening gatherings. The large tree provides ample shade during the day, making the space comfortable and inviting. The wooden planter box, filled with colorful flowers, adds a vibrant touch and breaks up the green expanse of the lawn. The seating area, with its classic wooden furniture and umbrella, is both practical and stylish, offering a great spot to relax or entertain guests. To enhance this space, I would add a few more cushions for extra comfort and perhaps a small fire pit for cooler nights. Overall, this backyard is a delightful blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal. I absolutely love this backyard setup, with its elegant pergola draped in string lights, creating a warm and inviting ambiance. The combination of the cozy sectional sofa and the patterned rug defines the seating area beautifully, making it perfect for gatherings or relaxing alone. The use of lanterns and potted plants adds a charming, rustic touch to the space. The fire pit is a fantastic addition, providing both warmth and a focal point for evening conversations. The wicker stools are a practical and stylish choice, offering additional seating or a place to rest drinks. To enhance this setup, I might add some outdoor curtains for extra privacy and shade, as well as a few more colorful throw pillows for a pop of color. Overall, this backyard is a delightful blend of comfort and style. I love the bohemian vibe of this backyard setup. The string lights create a magical, cozy atmosphere that makes the space feel intimate and inviting. The sectional sofa made from pallets is a creative and eco-friendly choice, providing ample seating with its plush cushions and assorted throw pillows. The combination of patterned rugs and the concrete coffee table adds a touch of sophistication and ties the area together. The hanging baskets and lanterns enhance the boho aesthetic, giving the space a unique character. I appreciate the hammock in the background, perfect for lounging and adding to the relaxed feel. To make this space even better, I might add a few more plants for added greenery, and perhaps an outdoor heater for cooler nights. Overall, it's a stylish and comfortable outdoor retreat. I am enchanted by this beautifully lit outdoor dining area. The pergola, adorned with string lights, creates a warm and inviting ambience, perfect for evening meals or gatherings. The hanging woven lanterns add rustic charm, complementing the overall boho vibe. The long dining table with its striped tablecloth and cozy seating makes it a wonderful spot for entertaining. The surrounding greenery, potted plants, and wicker furniture enhance the natural, relaxed atmosphere. I love the soft fur throw on the chair, adding a touch of luxury and comfort. To make this space even more inviting, I might add a few outdoor rugs to define the seating areas better. This setup is a perfect blend of elegance and comfort, ideal for enjoying the outdoors. I absolutely love the magical ambiance of this outdoor dining area. The combination of fairy lights and woven lanterns hanging from the pergola creates a stunning, ethereal effect that's perfect for evening gatherings. The twinkling lights resemble stars, adding a whimsical touch that makes the space feel enchanting. The rustic wooden table, set for a cozy dinner, adorned with candles and flowers, enhances the intimate atmosphere. The plush fur throws on the chairs add a luxurious and warm element, making it inviting even on cooler nights. To elevate this space further, I might include some outdoor heaters for added warmth and comfort. Overall, this setup perfectly balances elegance and whimsy, making it an ideal spot for memorable dinners under the stars. I love the clean, modern look of this outdoor seating area. The pergola with string lights adds a warm and inviting glow, perfect for evening relaxation. The wicker sectional with gray cushions is stylish and comfortable, offering plenty of seating for guests. The built-in fire pit table is a fantastic addition, providing warmth and a focal point for gatherings. The surrounding greenery, with neatly trimmed shrubs and small trees, adds a refreshing touch of nature and privacy. The lanterns on the ground enhance the ambiance with their soft candlelight. To improve this space, I might add some colorful throw pillows for a pop of color, and a cozy outdoor rug to define the seating area better. Overall, it's a beautifully designed and functional outdoor space, ideal for entertaining or unwinding. I adore this charming outdoor space. The pergola with hanging lanterns and string lights creates a warm, inviting atmosphere, perfect for evening relaxation. The combination of wicker furniture and plush cushions provides both style and comfort. The throw blankets and floral pillows add a cozy, personalized touch. The brick wall backdrop, adorned with climbing plants and fairy lights, enhances the rustic charm of the area. The fire pit adds warmth and serves as a focal point for gatherings. I love the mix of potted plants and flowers, which bring color and life to the space. To improve this setup, I might add a few outdoor rugs to define the seating areas better. Overall, this backyard is a perfect blend of elegance and comfort, ideal for entertaining or unwinding. I appreciate the clean and modern look of this patio area. The wooden pergola adds structure and elegance, while the strategically placed ground lights highlight the beautiful plants and pathway. The large blue pots add a pop of color and serve as focal points, enhancing the overall aesthetic. The use of recessed lighting along the pathway ensures safety and creates a warm, inviting glow. The variety of plants, from tall grasses to broad-leafed greenery, adds texture and depth to the space. The combination of natural elements with modern lighting fixtures results in a harmonious design. To improve this area, I might add some seating options under the pergola for relaxation. Overall, this space is a perfect blend of functionality and style, ideal for enjoying the outdoors. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the best backyard lighting ideas to light up your mood. I hope these designs inspired you to transform your outdoor space into a cozy, inviting haven. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and inspiration.